If you want to support proper hydration and maintain internal balance naturally, please watch this carefully. Today, we are talking about one of the simplest and most refreshing vegetables available. Cucumber, often seen as just a salad ingredient, but its benefits go far beyond taste and texture. Cucumbers are composed of more than 90% water. This high water content makes them an excellent food choice for supporting daily hydration. Hydration plays a critical role in nearly every system of the body. Proper fluid balance supports circulation, temperature regulation, nutrient transport, and kidney function. The kidneys rely on adequate hydration to efficiently filter waste products from the bloodstream. While cucumbers are not a treatment, including water-rich foods like cucumbers can contribute to maintaining healthy kidney function as part of a balanced diet. Cucumbers also contain small amounts of potassium, a mineral that plays a role in maintaining fluid balance and supporting normal blood pressure. Another quiet benefit of cucumbers is their antioxidant content. They contain compounds such as flavonoids and tannins, which help protect cells from oxidative stress. Cucumbers also provide fiber, especially when eaten with the peel, which supports digestive balance. Because they are low in calories, cucumbers can be included regularly without significantly increasing daily energy intake. Preparation is simple. Fresh sliced cucumber in salads, added to water, or blended into smoothies, helps retain its natural properties. Cucumber is not a miracle cure. It does not replace medical care. Its strength lies in simplicity and consistency. When included regularly as part of a balanced diet, cucumber can contribute to hydration support and overall internal balance. Sometimes, the most refreshing foods provide the quietest forms of support. If you found this explanation helpful and you enjoy calm, science-based discussions about everyday nutrition, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you liked this video, a simple like helps more people discover reliable and balanced health information. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.